I would like to ask them some question about tenses. At first, I will ask a question and they have to tell which tense we are making fun. Which tense is it?
Is it present continuous tense?
Yes, thank you very much. We have eaten rice. Present?
Perfect.
Present perfect tense. Okay, thank you. This is also right. I did the work.
Continue.
Past?
Past indefinite tense.
Past indefinite tense. Okay, thank you very much. We are going to market. We are going to market. Present continuous tense. Okay, thank you very much. The boy has finished the work. The boy has finished the work.